This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research.
This is Coin Picker, fully, where global markets meet clear, powerful insights.
Support and resistance, the backbone of every chart. But today, we go deeper. We reveal 3 price levels.
Welcome back, everyone. You're watching Coin Picker, Stream, your daily source for gold, markets, and breaking financial news.
Gold moves with global liquidity. Every major shift begins with flows, not candles. From long-term accumulation to explosive breakouts, these movements follow patterns, pourings, and levels. On the daily chart, 3 levels stand out, not because they look strong, but because the market keeps returning to them. Level 1, the ultimate resistance, 4280 to 4320, a ceiling built from rejection, liquidity, and fear.
Each touch at this level leaves a story: wicks, exhaustion, and fading momentum. Retail sees a breakout, but smart money sees liquidity.
Above this level lies an ocean of stop losses. Aim through, a perfect hunting ground.
A sweep here is not weakness, it's preparation. Volume spikes at this level mean one thing: punchers. Bigger hands are active. A classic move: grab liquidity, then reverse hard. This level decides trend continuation, EU, or major reversal.
If price breaks above 4320 with strong volume, the market may begin a new long-term expansion. But if rejection appears here, momentum collapses faster than traders expect.
Level 2 Complete, the mid-zone support, 4050 to 4090, the battleground of control.
This is where the market decides whether buyers still have strength.
High volume reactions hint that institutions defend this area. Compression here means pressure building. Pressure that will explode. Below this zone, liquidity pools form. A perfect trap. If buyers absorb pressure, gold may revisit level 1.
But if the zone breaks cleanly, momentum can fall sharply.
Watch the wicks. They tell the whole story. Level 3, Lunfalid, the major demand zone, 3900 to 3950. The origin of recent rallies, a fortress of buyer interest.
Volume here is not retail, it's major accumulation.
These wicks reveal aggressive defense.
If price ever returns here, everything changes.
A bounce here often creates multi-week momentum. A clean break opens the door to deeper correction. Structure confirms what levels suggest. Break of structure is the final signal. Order blocks near these zones reveal smart money interest. Fair value gaps create magnets. Price returns to balance inefficiencies. Liquidity sweeps clear the path for the real move.
3 levels, 3 reactions, 1 truth. Structure always wins.
Your job isn't predicting.
It's preparing for both sides, with discipline.
History does not repeat, but it rhymes. And these levels rhyme loudly.
Where price is now matters more than where it's going.
Watch how price behaves here. The next story begins at this level.
Gold doesn't move randomly. It moves with purpose.
Master these levels, and you master gold.
Subscribe to Coin Picker, where traders gain clarity before the move.
See the market. Understand the move.
Stay ahead of the market. Subscribe now and follow Coin Picker for the latest insights.